Hey beauty bears, Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. How are y'all doing? So today I'm back with another exciting video. I'll be doing yet another character on my nails. This one is very simple and easy, nothing to hype about really, but your girl did good. I mean, it wasn't great, but your girl did good. So today, originally the character name was going to be Pikachu, and I was like, I'm not about to take on the world. And then I had some colors missing. I need to order some gel colors. I need to order a whole bunch of stuff to get my drawing career on the road. So the basics of stuff. I'll be flying through this, and then I'll be back with you with the drawing, because there's nothing much here to say besides the acrylic that I'll be using today. So I'm using Sunshine from Gifted Glows. It's a local brand here in Jamaica, and I recently purchased the Mia Secret Fruity Nails collection. I did a review on it, so go check it out if you wish. This is called Banana. The color is called Banana. It's very controversial, it's very conflicting, but that's one other day, another time to discuss. So I'll be using Nude Peach to go over the both colors. I'll be doing the 3-way ombre, very 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 cute ombre way style. So one thing I just want to put out there is that I'm not much of a quote-unquote educator, a step-by-step instructor, so it's very hard for me to instruct and sit and talk to you guys on what exactly I'm doing. I think persons learn best if they do watch a video. Some persons genuinely don't understand, and I will explain as best as possible. But since you guys have seen me doing this in almost every other video, there's not much for me to say right now. Okay, so I can explain each finger. So for the pointer, the ring, and the pinky, I'll be doing ombre, the 3-way ombre, and on the middle and on the ring finger I'll be doing ombre, the 2-way ombre. So I'll be using citrus, I'll be using banana at the top, and I'll be using sunshine at the bottom, and then I'll add some glitters to it, not to make the nails look basic, because I won't be using bling in this set. So I'll do that for the ring finger, and then I will do straight banana on the ring finger, and that's about it. I mean, there's nothing much to say. I encapsulate after I liked what I like, but I must say the Mia Secret is very pigmented. I underestimated it, I really did. In my Mia Secret review, I did a conclusion, but I did not say that these products were pigmented. I'm not sure if I did, but I just want to mention that this product is pigmented, very 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 pigmented, and I'm excited about it, excited about trying all the colors in that batch. And I am ordering some more Mia Secret stuff, the collections, so stay tuned. Ensure you're subscribed to my channel, boo. Okay, and also follow me on Instagram if I have not yet said it. Follow me at Bare Beauty Services, and also remember to tap the bell right beside the subscribe button so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week, and I don't have a time to posting a video, so ensure your bell is turned on, sis. Okay. So one thing that I want to mention before I stop chatting is that the colors are so pigmented. I mentioned it in the previous clip a while ago, that the color is so pigmented, the acrylic is so pigmented that the color of my acrylic liquid changed. It changed. I never thought it would have that much impact on the acrylic liquid. I mean, it was expected, but I didn't expect it, because I didn't get that result from the review that I did recently. I mean, I wasn't using much of it to get the result, but sis, let me tell you, this color here can be used as a pigment color. Trust and believe me. Okay, all right. So yes. So yes guys, moving on to this drawing aspect of these nails, I'll be doing Tweety Bird. I won't be doing Tweety Bird the entire body, but I'll definitely be doing the eyes and the mouth. I mean guys, the tip that I want to give you guys is that always create an outline of what you want on your nails. Don't go ahead and do what I do, where I start using the colors and creating whatever. I mean, it was not bad at the end of the day, but first outline your character with a pencil and then go in with your brushes and fill in everything. It makes more sense. It's careful, it's being careful. You could make a mistake with the colors. You have to erase it. You have to end up erasing the whole entire thing. So first tip of drawing on nails is use a pencil, a mechanical pencil, whatever you want to use to create that outline, and then go in and color the nails afterwards. So that's the tip I want. A few sets of characters that I did on my nails, I didn't do the outline because I didn't have a clue as to what I was doing, but now that I know, I'll be creating the outline first and then going in with the colors. But on one of my videos I did the hands. I was struggling so much with the hands, and I decided, okay, all right, I'm going to watch a few videos and I see where they first outline the character, anything that they're designing, they outline it and then they fill it in, and it worked perfect. I mean, I was struggling with those hands. If you guys have not checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. It's very interesting, it's very creative to me. So I am rambling about other stuff besides what I'm doing right here. So what I said, the first rule of creating a character on your nails is that to outline it and then shade it in afterwards. And one thing that I do like about characters being on the nail is that when you mat that nail, it looks different. I mean, different. It looks so good. So all that I'll be creating for this video is that the eyes and the mouth. Definitely the lashes and the mouth area gave me difficulties. Under the eyes gave me difficulties. So outlining the character is best. Don't follow me, guys. I'm not a pro. I don't know why I'm behaving like I'm a pro. Go ahead and outline the nail, the character, and then fill it in, and then you're Gucci after that. So yeah, so that's all I want to show you for today, guys. I hope you do enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, because I post twice a week every week, and I also probably will post bonus videos. So ensure that you're subscribed and the notification is turned on. And also remember to follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services. That's where everything goes down, here and Instagram. So ensure that you follow me on Instagram. So yes, guys, thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take this feeling.